Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect the 3.5mm headphone to your USB-C port on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So you can see on this device here, at the moment it has USB-C port. There are no port for 3.5mm. So in order for you to connect this plug into the device, you need to get yourself one of this adapter right here. Now this is a brand new adapter I just have opened just now, and what we're going to do is we need to plug into your USB-C port like this, and then plug it in, and then we're going to plug into the device in here. And once it is connected, you can use your headphone to listen to music. You can pick up calls, talk on the device. You can adjust the volume with the volume down key. So let's test it out. So here I'm going to get an incoming call. Alright, I give myself a call, and this is my connected headphone right here. Alright, so this is the incoming call on my headphone. I can press on the button, and that will allow me to pick up the call. And if I talk to it, hello, testing, 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 testing. Okay, that noise is coming from the echo. Alright, so what else can you do? You can use the volume button here to control the call volume. So I can press on the volume down key, and this will allow me to adjust the volume down. The only things with this adapter is I cannot adjust the volume up key. When I press on the up button, it's still going down. So it could be this adapter is faulty, or because it is cheap. I only had it bought it for a few dollars online. So it could be a cheap adapter. If we get a quality made adapter, it could work perfectly fine. Let me just try to turn it around the other way to see if it makes a difference or not. Alright, so I'm going to press on the volume up key. So it still does the same thing. It allows me to go down, but not up. Okay, so that's for the phone call. What about controlling the music? So I'm going to open up the music player, and I'm going to play the music. So it's actually allow me to play the music perfectly fine, quite loud, coming out from the small ear-speaker right here. You can hear it, right? And what about using the volume key to control the volume? So again, I can press on the volume up key and volume down key. It doesn't matter which buttons I press, the volume still going down. Yes, so that is the thing to be aware of when you are buying this adapter, is that some adapter might not work perfectly with your controller right here. However, the microphone works fine. You can listen to it. You can speak through the microphone on the cables. Only the volumes buttons is the issue with this adapter. Now again, it could be just a faulty adapter. If you get a good quality adapter, you may have no issues with the volumes button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.